In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save on Etsy fees with the Share and Save program in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. The Share and Save program allows you to reduce your Etsy fees when buyers purchase through your unique referral link. Now, if you want to save on Etsy fees using Share and Save, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. This is where you manage your marketing tools. Next, go to the marketing section and look for the Share and Save option. This is where Etsy provides your referral tools. After that, find your unique referral link. Etsy automatically generates a personalized link for your shop or specific listings. Now, copy this link and start sharing it on platforms like social media, email, or anywhere you promote your products. Then, encourage buyers to use this link when purchasing your items. When they do, you may receive a reduced transaction fee on those sales. Also, make sure to check your eligibility and program details inside your dashboard, since availability may vary depending on your region. That's it. Using Share and Save can help you lower fees and increase your profit over time by driving your own traffic to your Etsy shop.